Welcome to Incredible Innovations. Today I would briefly explain the 8 different types of soil. Soil in simple words means a loose material which lies on top of the land. It has many things in it like tiny grains of rock, minerals, water and air. Soil holds water and nutrition. It is an ideal place for plants to grow. Soil is important for life on earth. On the basis of genesis, color, composition and location, the soils of India have been classified into alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, arid soil, alkaline soil, peaty soil and forest soils. Alluvial soil. As far as agriculture is concerned, alluvial soil is of prime importance. This soil region encompasses greater part of fertile agriculture field in India. Almost all large river basins are composed of alluvial soil. Most of the alluvial soils are composed of loams. Color varies between grey to light grey. This type of soil is widespread in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Punjab, Rajasthan, Assam, Orissa and Madhya Pradesh. Different river valleys of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and even Karnataka. Black soil. This type of soil is predominant in Deccan region. This soil generally develops in granite or other structures. In some isolated region, it occurs in shale and sandstones. Black soil develops over basalt based rock also. Due to presence of large amount of iron, alumina, magnesium, lime, production of cotton in the soil is unparalleled in India. Red soil. This type of soil predominantly occurs in areas of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Orissa, central India and even in the southwestern West Bengal. The top layer of the soil is composed of friable matter with fine textured materials. Laterite soil. Pedogenic process of laterite soil formation is very complex. This soil is predominant in the margins of Deccan, central Indian uplands, Maharashtra, Karnataka. This soil is not very fertile but some crops like rice, sugarcane are cultivated. Arid soil. This soil is predominant in the vast dry tract of northwest India whose annual precipitation is very low. Rajasthan, Punjab and Gujarat is covered partly by this soil. Forest soil. Dense growth of conifer forest, high rate of denudation has favored greatly the soil formation in the Himalaya and other high altitude areas. Though these soils are primary and premature, it has been enriched by the accumulation of different minerals. Except the dunes which are very fertile, most of these areas are not favorable for cultivation. Peaty soil. In coastal areas, high salinity due to nearness of sea and heavy organic matter, concentration due to humus deposition forms peaty soil. It is frequently visible along the eastern and western coasts of India. Alkaline soil. Many regions of North India has experienced massive accumulation of salt through intense irrigation. This has resulted in deterioration of soil condition in Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat and Bihar. Locally, these soils are known as Ushar in north, Kalar in west, Chopin in southwest. In these soils, alkali content is high and nitrogen and organic matter contents are low. This is for today. Hope you brush up your mind. Signing off from Incredible Innovations.